Can you believe that? This soup in the airport is just so good. Unboxing Taiwanese home-based lounge. Enjoy the relaxing place for Premium Skyteam members. How about the shower facilities? What you shouldn't miss here. Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together. Good morning, Taipei. Today we are at Taipei International Airport and I'll unbox the Taiwanese home-based China Airlines VIP Lounge in Terminal 2. Before we dive into the exclusive space, let me share the amazing experience I've had here in Taipei. I had the pleasure of staying at the classic 5-star hotel, Regent Taipei. From exploring the member-only VIP lounge to unboxing the massive suite room, enjoying the best steakhouse in town, to presenting a full facilities report and ending with the famous brasserie breakfast. Check the link below for the complete details. Now let's step into Terminal 2 of Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport, or TPE. This floor is designed for lounges and dinings, mostly belonging to Star Alliance. However, we are here to explore the China Airlines VIP Lounge, a gem in Skyteam Alliance. Let's take a closer look. The entrance is designed in elegant Eastern style. Look at this Chinese handwriting and beautiful painting art decors. Despite facing the busy check-in area, the lounge offers a relaxing environment. This Taiwanese home-based airline lounge, while not a flagship, doesn't feel cramped at all. And of course, stay tuned for the unboxing of the flagship Skyteam lounge in Terminal 1. Now onto the buffet area. Starting with hot dishes, there's a variety of Taiwanese and Western options. For someone like me who prefer hot food over cold, the hot soups, dim sum, and especially the unique Taiwanese rice dish are a delight. Additionally, there's a selection of bread, popcorn, and Taiwanese cold appetizers. A crucial highlight is the fresh made-to-order kiosk. Don't miss it if you are a beef enthusiast. China Airlines Lounge serves a high-quality beef noodle soup that you absolutely should give a try. I must admit, even though I'm full, I couldn't resist having a beef soup. Once you grab your ticket, your order is complete. Moving on to beverages, you'll find a range of juices, cereals, fruits, and salads. And for those who love hot drinks, coffee and tea are available. Of course, no lounge experience is complete without a selection of soft drinks, wines, and liquors. Cheeses and snacks right here. And this ice cream is my favorite. However, it contains peanuts if there's allergy concerns. Now let me share what I got. A beef soup and a peanut ice cream. Trust me, it's a must try. But before we reveal the shower room and lounge facilities, I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. Let's explore further on their seats. Finding the USB charger and US Type power socket. Just a quick reminder, don't forget your power converter. Now onto the shower facility. And the best part, it's entirely free. Follow me. The shower room is clean, bright and spacious. You'll find a hairdryer and essential amenities. And there's even a toilet inside, quite convenient. The shower room, equipped with a pure attitude brand amenities. That concludes our tour of the China Airlines Lounge at Taipei Terminal 2. In summary, if you are flying China Airlines or any Skyteam Alliance in business or with Elite Plus status, you are entitled to enjoy the top-notch lounge facility here. With its comfortable atmosphere and high-quality food, it's an experience worth savoring. In my next video, I'll be flying to Bangkok via China Airlines A330-300 in business class. Despite the hardware showing its age, the service is exceptional. I'll be trying 2 main courses including the Michelin Green Star meal and beef pasta. Get ready for an exciting journey. Stay tuned, thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.